Hello kids, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn ABCD. Let's start. A. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. B. B for butterfly. B for butterfly. C. C for candy. C for candy. D. D for donkey. D for donkey. E. E for eggplant. E for eggplant. F. F for fish. F for fish. G. G for goat. G for goat. H. H for house. H for house. Let's start. Orange color. A. A for apple. A for aeroplane. A for arrow. Red color. B. B for butterfly. B for bag. B for ball. B for bat. B for butterfly. Green color. C. C for cat. C for cap. C for candy. Purple color. D. D for dog. D for doll. D for donkey. Black color. E. E for eggplant. E for ear. E for egg. Pink color. F for frog. F for fish. F for fan. Yellow color. G. G for goat. G for girl. G for gold. Orange color. H for house. H for house. H for home. H for hand. So kids, you can see what we learned today. We learn A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share, subscribe my channel. We will see you in next video with a new topic. Till then, bye.